Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and another episode of the Extreme Makeover. Oh my god, we are back with the bonnet. Okay, so first of all, we are going to be starting off with our makeup, and my makeup routine is still the same. I've just only changed a little bit of the steps that I take, but keep watching and I will soon do a more detailed makeup video talking about products, what I now use, and the steps I take to get a flawless base. Okay?
Like we're still all good. I get too far in my thoughts, they take me back to the start, what we were. Like we're still all good. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. It's scary to give in, but somehow love always wins. But then I'm lonely, and my mind doesn't understand. I get too far in my thoughts, they take me back to the start, what we were. Like we're still all good. I get too far in my thoughts, they take me back to the start, what we were. Like we're still all good. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with a break like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Oh, like a volcano, tending to be my savior.
So the makeup is all done. Let us move on to the hair. I mean, just look at this hair. Look at the colors. It's the color for me. It is the brown, the blonde, the mixture of the highlights. Loving it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my big transformations. It is from 0 to 100 all the time. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. I decided to complete this stunning hair and makeup look with this stunning dress by Baisha's Secret Closet. I will be linking her Instagram down below and her website, so you guys can go ahead and check her out. If you have any special occasion, I think this is a look.